How can you make your own app icon on the iPad? And let's talk about it and let's explain that. If it's your first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you become part of the community and that way never miss anything important. Okay, so the most common method how people do it is through the Shortcuts application, which is actually the best way to customize your icons. So you can get inside the Shortcuts application, and the shortcut which you are going to create, you're going to tap on the plus button to create a new one, and the action will be to open an app, right? So you will select the application which you want to customize or make your own icon of, right? So you're going to pick it like this, whatever it might be. And then you can see that the shortcut is kind of ready because that's all that it needs to do. Now we tap on share and we need to add it to the home screen, right? So you're going to add it like this. And as you can see right now, you get to select the name as well as the icon for the app. And this is where the creativity comes in, right? So you can access your library or pick from the existing icons here, but most likely you will want to import an image which you are going to use for the app icon as well as change it to something else, right? And you can add it all to your home screen like that, so it will look like a completely different app and it will open up one of your regular installed apps. So that's how you can make your own icon. Of course, the original one doesn't get affected in any way, right? So you can still go to the app library and check out the official app icon of that app, but you also have a little shortcut which replaces the look and it just behaves the same way, but looks completely different. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.